Hello guys, good morning and welcome to another weekly updates episode 46. Yeah, this episode was supposed to be I think 45, but something came up. I have a work I was supposed to do and deliver to a client, so I have to abandon this work and shift that work. So that's the reason why this is now episode 46 instead of 45. So the bag I'll be making, which is the red bag I've shown you in the week update you saw last, and the black bag, that is episode 45. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate you guys. So the one we make at episode 44, that's what we'll be continuing now. Most of those bags you see, those mass production, they are still on the decks actually. As you can see, some are there, some are here, some are here, and I think this bag should be around 14 bags I need to make. So once I make those bags, you guys will see everything. But on this particular week update, I think I will time lapse everything, so you see me, you see the continuation, the process of applying the lining to it, doing the center, then assembling the bag, both sewing the hand, so you will see it. So in the comment section, let me know if you want to see the tutorial on how I make each and every one of these bag. So I will try my best to drop it. So guys, thank you guys. I really appreciate you. For those of you who have subscribed to the channel, and for the new ones that are yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing as you are watching this video, because you are going to learn from this channel. So as you subscribe, give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Share this with people you know it might be of help to them on their journey of bag making, as a lot of good and interesting sit down tutorial actually will be coming this year as well, and some work tutorial will be coming. And I also will be starting a video on how to start a bag business in 2022. I've done that on the channel previously, but there are some updates that we'll be adding to it, so we'll be doing that this year as well. So stay tuned for that, and I think that should be coming in few months or few weeks. So that's just it, and I think I'll see you guys at the other side as I proceed to making the rest of the video. Bye for now. Love you guys. So guys, before I proceed, I want to say something to you. When you are mass producing some products, it is very tiring. It is very tiring. You will be working. If you are the only one making it, you will be working, but it will seem as if you are not doing anything, because you are mass producing. But if you are making just few, within just a short period of time, you would have finished assembly, and you see the bag. You actually see the bag you are making on ground, and I'm done with this bag. But on bulk production, you just see that, okay, I've done this part, I've done the part, but I don't have a single bag to show for it that I'm done with a single bag. So you just need to keep producing, you continue doing it, and it's a repetitive work, and it's very tiring. If you have to do different kind of design, you won't get tired quick. But on this level, it is very tiring, because you keep doing the same thing over and over again, and if you are not satisfied with the work you do, or happy with the work you do, it gets you tired, and before you know, you're frustrated, you want to dump the work and say you are not doing it again, or you are no longer interested in it. So that shouldn't be the case. What I'm trying to say is, if you are doing a bulk production and you are the only one, you don't have any apprentice or worker or anyone to help you, should look for someone that can at least give you a hand, even if they are not good in the area, but at least maybe applying the gun. You show them this. By the time you show them 1, 2, or 3, they will know how to do it. Or even if it's just to apply the gun, and if everyone can hold a brush and apply a gun, if you are not using your brush, even if you are using your water can, some people normally use water can and punch a hole at the cover, then put their gum, they apply the gum, and like almost everyone can do that, to be sincere. So please, you should always get the help. It's not easy. It's not easy, but don't get the help always as well, because sometimes once you have the help, you always have the help, you'll be lazy, you don't want to do most of the work again, and once you don't have access to those help again, it's going to affect your work. which is not that good. So I hope, I'm just saying this. I'm not the best. I'm not in the best position to give you guys advice on what to do on your bag making business or anything. But I think this is something I need to, a issue I need to tailor. So by the way, we'll proceed to making the rest of the video, and you see the time lapse. Enough talking, because it's not everybody that enjoying this talking. But if you listen to it, I know you might get two or three something to learn from it. You know. So let's proceed to making the rest of the video. So I will see you at the other side, guys. So guys, I've finished sewing all the hands. Not all actually. Those one there I didn't, because they are different color, the gold and the lilac. Then there's another green. But this is the process of, all these are black. This is the process of mass producing something. You have to do it step by step. So the first step I do is I cut out the pattern which everything will be sewn to. Then I cut out the material, then apply gum to it, gum the material, apply gum to the outside of it, gum this down. So the next step here is I will apply gum to this and the lining. That is the lining there. Then gum that down. Once I comb that down, I've made the hand, and this is the cover. I've actually punched out the hole. So right now I'll be fixing all the hand to all the cover. Here are most of the cover, and here are some as well. So once I do that, then I will be applying gum to back of the cover as well before I will be putting what I will use to cover it. These are what they are. So I will still show you the process of making it. Before we start assembling the bag, you have to prepare everything down, and I already have the side and the bottom already on the machine. I will be joining that together, then we'll proceed. And don't forget to have your magnet close to you so that you can put your magnet once you start assembling the lid. So still stay tuned, guys. I will show you all the process of mass producing most of these things so that you can learn from here. So guys, this is the progress so far. I've put the feet of all this one. They all have feet and the lining as well. So it's just left for me to trim out this edge, the edge there. So both these two as well. Then here are some I've also fixed the lining to them. So the reason why I've not put the handle and sew the handle is because they are of color, 3 different colors, so I have to use a different thread. I'm not using black for all this one you are seeing. So they are say most of the parts too are there. So I just finished those one. Now this bag is still there, so let me show you some stuff inside. Like this cover, now I just finished everything, both the back of it. So everything is intact. I have put the magnetic snap, the closure, so it's remaining the main piece. And here are this one as well, they are all ready. So the rest of the accessories, this ones, apart, even these ones, they are ready. I have put all the lining, so I will be also trimming most of the excess lining beside of it. So this one now, once I'm ready, I'll be joining the center, then assembling the bag. So, and we make the hand already. We already make the hand. So for those colored one, here are the accessories. So I also drop them here. So once I'm ready, I'll start working on them. And these ones are for the rest of the one I'll be making. So sorry for the dark place. I was supposed to use a flash to make the video, but my flash is, I'm charging my flash right now. So that's the reason why I'm just using the camera to just film this. So here's this for you guys. Stay tuned to the rest of the video.
So guys, good morning and welcome to the continuation of the weekly update. As you can see, we are getting it. This is what we did yesterday. Actually, we did that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We make that 8 bag yesterday last night. So and the handles are here. All the handles are ready. Both uh the green, the gold, and the lilac, and the rest of it are also ready. Here they are. It has been prepared. So now, right now, it's just for me to comb the hand. Once I comb the hand, I will let you guys see the outcome of it because it has to be sent very soon, and I think tomorrow. So well, I don't know. So once I finish, I will try my best to show you guys the outcome. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I shall proceed with the rest of the video. See you at the other side. So guys, this is the continuation of the weekly update, and this is where we'll be ending it. As you can see, these are all the strap. So I will try my best now to fix everything and rebate it, then package the bag so that I will be sending it to the client. As you can see, here they are. We have one green there, we have black, we have brown. This is actually brown. We have the lilac, we have gold, we have lilac, another shade of green, brown, gold, black, and this snake prints. But these are just three different design, as you can see, and they are 17 bag. This is 3, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Those are 17 bag. So guys, if you do enjoy this week updates, give it a giant thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next week update. Sorry if the content is not up to what you expect, but we are going to try our best to continue and keep improving for you guys. Bye for now. See you in the next one.